guys, welcome to another video of how to make a Discord bot part 2. So in this video we'll be learning how to use aliases and welcome and leave message, bot message. So let's start with the aliases. So basically aliases are for like if someone instead of hi they say hello, so the command should run even if they say hello. So it's pretty easy to do that. After add client.command, between those parentheses, just add aliases equals to, and then a list of all the aliases you need. So I'll just add hello, sup, and you can add a whole list, as many as you want. Okay, so then we're basically done with the aliases. Let's just run it. What's this? What is online? So here dot hi works dot sup dot hello, everything's working. Okay, so now we're going to learn how to put welcome and leave messages. So go under client.event on ready. Client.event, yeah. So just type at client.event async def on member join member awaits member.send welcome to the server. Okay, so basically what this does is when the bot detects that a member joined the server, it will get the member's ID and it will DM the member welcome to the server. So leave messages are similar, so let's just copy paste them. So on member remove, instead of join it will be remove. So instead of welcome to the server, let's say goodbye. Okay, so I guess we're done. Now let's add invite command, like if someone wants to invite your bot to the server. Okay, sorry. Aliases equals to. Okay, no, we don't need aliases for this. I'm doing async def invite ctx await ctx.send, and then between these what we will do is we will go back to our web browser, discord.com/developers/applications. Go there and then open your application, sign in and open your application. Go to the auth2 tab, click on bot and give your bot the permissions, and under bot you'll see this link. Just click on copy, go back to VS Code and paste it here. Okay, so we're basically done. Before this you can add something. Invite me to your server and this. Okay, so we're done now. That's it for this video. We learned how to make a bot and everything. I'll just run this and come back. Okay, one sec. Okay, so basically we just had to edit this. Just click on tab and then it will go. Yeah. What is online? So dot invite. Yeah, so that works. And then the member join and member leave, you can test that out with your friend. You can ask them if the bot DM'd you, welcome to the server, or goodbye. Okay, so guys, we're done with the video. Like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Goodbye.